Oh, this match is underway. Mario running DDT to start out. Here we go. Kick to Darth Vader. Mario, the Army champion, seems to dominate. Oh, there's baby Mario. Spin out power bomb. Nicely done. There's a ladder in the ring. Baby Mario going attacking his dad. 2 leg drops. Nice. Darth Vader setting up early. He's gonna try to win this match. Darth Vader can't reach. Kick by Darth Vader. Fist of Fury. Oh, missed this third punch. Missed that knockout punch. Baby Mario climbing the ladder. And Baby Mario. No, he had a Baby Mario! Superplex! Onto Mario! Mario's done! Baby Mario fell off the ladder. Darth Vader can't reach. 3-man are down. Not to 3-man are up. We got the referee. He heals it. Baby Mario, me too. And a body punch in right hand. Tossing. Baby Mario the ropes. Oh, and I shot that ladder. The Darth Vader. Oh, a nice move. Oh. Wrapping away. The Irish whip. Oh, a nice move by Baby Mario. Mario. Ladder shot. Took down the referee. LOL. Kick to the back of the leg. Belly to belly suplex. Man, these men are trying to start taking out the ref. Come on, Baby Mario, this is your chance! Capitalize! Baby Mario climbing up. This could be it. Baby Mario, a neck breaker up the ladder. Mario could have had a huge opportunity. There's Baby Mario on the attack. Baby Mario, a smart competitor. Well, acting like him right here. Now he is. This match is over if he can grab it down. Darth Vader watching. Takes out the ladder. And Darth Vader should be using his brain to climb the ladder right now. Should be trying to climb the ladder, you idiot. Darth Vader, now he is. Oh, there's a sledgehammer outside the ring. And Baby Mario now tips over the ladder. Oh my god. What's man gonna do to each other? Baby Mario setting up the ladder. He's gonna climb it. Could he win this match right here? Now he's got grasp. This could be it. Baby Mario, so close to winning this match. Oh. Darth Vader takes Baby Mario out the ladder. So that's probably it for Baby Mario. Get back up. Baby Mario. Darth Vader up. What? Baby Mario's up? What? Clothesline. Oh, shout that ladder. Oh. What Baby Mario doing? It's not even close. Oh no, Bulldog, my bad. I mean, Darth Vader, my bad. It's the end. Nice. Darth Vader, Darth Vader. Triple threat ladder match. Oh, shout out to ladders by Baby Mario. Baby Mario, go for the win. What's he doing? Oh, I see what he's doing. He's using that Super Mario Stunner. I really got Baby Mario over there. Oh. Darth Vader, the powerhouse. Sure. Oh, he's going for the Darth Vader driver. And he got it. Darth Vader should really be concerned about climbing the ladder right now. This man is an idiot. Takes the ladders out. These men should be concerned about climbing right now. Darth Vader's busted open. Like Mario. No, baby. Mario. And Superplex over. Oh my god. This could be it. No. A long match. Oh, kick to the back of the leg.